Oh my
Hey
god.
guys, how are you? My name is Catherine. This is Amy, and we are watching Noah Welch tell us about his speech, Deforestation. Yay!
Deforestation is a hotly debated topic that affects everyone. Many organisms lose their homes to it and are left to die. Different plant life is destroyed and eventually goes extinct. It also affects humans. Many of our medicines are made from plants in tropical rainforests like the Amazon. Have gone over many different publications on this issue and have learned a lot about this topic. The main points I will go over are: what is deforestation? Where is deforestation a major problem? Why do people destroy forests? And how to prevent deforestation. Firstly, I will go over the definition of deforestation, where it occurs, and how it affects biodiversity. As stated by National Geographic, deforestation is the intentional clearing of land over a huge area and is usually done illegally. Over 2,000 years ago, 80% of Western Europe was forest. Today it has dropped to a mere 30%. Today the greatest amount of deforestation is occurring in tropical rainforests. This is done to build roads and farms. And the reason for building more roads is to get access into deeper parts of the rainforests and exploit them. By doing this, more and more animals and plant species are going extinct. This is a big problem for us because most of our medications are made from plants in the Amazon. Also, thousands of animals and plant species have yet to be discovered, and thousands of tribes are being forcefully removed from their land. Secondly, will be going over why people destroy forests. As stated by Ballard briefly, deforestation is a critical issue in our world right now, and there are many major causes of this, such as cattle ranching, infrastructure development, the building of dams, and small scale subsistence farms. All of these affect biodiversity and the overall health of the Amazon. This affects many animal species because their habitats are being destroyed. For example, trees that animals live in are getting cut down. This leads to animals not having a home and eventually leads to them dying off. This also affects the climate of the planet by raising CO2 levels, which leads to climate change. Lastly, I will go over how to help prevent deforestation. As stated by the World Counts, deforestation is one of the largest environmental issues we face today. But there are ways you can help. For starters, join a group that engages in planting trees across the country. You can also go paperless, avoid palm oils, support indigenous rights, advocate for forest protection plans, and support responsible companies. But one of the biggest things you can do is to educate others. By doing this, you can help bring awareness to this huge issue and help bring more people to advocate against the deforestation of the Amazon rainforest. To conclude my speech, I went over many great points on how deforestation affects biodiversity and how it affects animals, plants, and humans. Some key points in my speech are how deforestation affects many different species, including humans, why deforestation is such a big problem, and why deforestation takes place. Finally, I hope you learned a lot today and that you can also take some of the stuff I talked about and help make a change in this world.
Yay!
Yeah.
Thank you, Noah. That was absolutely amazing. You can speak up just a little bit, but I think that you did really good. Amy, what did you think that Noah did on his thing today?
Little more emotion and yes, the volume on his speaking.
There we go. You guys have an incredible week. Talk to you later.